SAARC is a regional organization of South Asian states. Samjhauta Express was between India and the answer is Pakistan. The Dibrahan Commission is related to, and the answer is Bapi Masjid demolition. Justice Mukherjee Commission is related to, and the answer is death of Subhash Chandra Bose. Food Corporation of India was set up, and the answer is in 1965. Who is the author of a train to Pakistan? And the answer is Khushwant Singh. The Hezbollah militant group is mostly based in, the answer is Lebanon. The headquarters of SAARC is in, and the answer is Kathmandu. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe right now. And the next question is National Integration Day is celebrated on, and the answer is 19th November. The headquarters of NATO is located in, and the answer is Brussels. Global Positioning System GPS is used to measure, and the answer is latitudes and longitudes. World longest railway platform is, and the answer is Hubli Junction in India. The founder of Google is, and the answer is American computer scientists Larry Page and Sari Berry. In which country is Al-Aqsa Mosque located? And the answer is in Israel, in the city of Jerusalem. The Election Commission of India celebrates the National Voters' Day on, and the answer is 25th January. The headquarters of World Bank is in, and the answer is Washington, D.C. The International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer is observed on, and the answer is 16th September. The headquarters of Eastern Railway is located at, and the answer is Kolkata. PCMA 2006 is the abbreviated version of, and the answer is Prohibition of Child Marriage Act. India celebrated its 70th Constitution Day in 2019. Who established the Atomic Energy Commission of India in 1948? And the answer is Homi Bhabha. Which coastal area of India affected by Hudhud cyclone? And the answer is Andhra coast. What is the chemical symbol of gold? And the answer is AU. Who is the author of famous book Pathar Panchali? And the answer is Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. Who was the first Chief Minister of West Bengal? And the answer is Bidhan Chandra Roy. Who is known as father of the Bengali Renaissance? And the answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who founded the Fort William College? And the answer is Lord Wellesley. In which year the capital of India is shifted from Kolkata to Delhi? And the answer is 1911. When is Doctor's Day celebrated in India? And the answer is 1st July in the memory of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. In which year Jyoti Bose became the Chief Minister of West Bengal for the first time? And the answer is 1977. West Bengal's oldest inscription is Mahasthan Brahmi inscription. Who was the first player from Indian subcontinent to play overseas? And the answer is Muhammad Salim, a football player. What is the first Bengali newspaper? And the answer is Samachar Darpan. Who was the first king of Gadawala dynasty? And the answer is Chandradeva. Which is the second planned city of India after Chandigarh? Answer is Durgapur. Who had eaten the Sri Krishna Vijay? And the answer is Maladhar Basu. President of India Draupadi Murmu inaugurated Gaj Utsav 2023 in which state in April? The answer is Assam. Pandit Jasraj is associated with which field? Answer music. During which dynasty the famous Dhageshwari temple was built? And the answer is Sena dynasty. Who was the first Bengali literature to win the Sahitya Academy Award? And the answer is Jivananda Das. The real name of Guljar, the famous poet and lyricist, is, the answer is Sampura Singh Kalra. Fayyan began his journey back to home from which Indian state? The answer is Bengal. Alluri Sitaram Raju was a tribal freedom fighter from which state of India? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. Under whom did Bengal gradually break away from Mughal control in the 18th century? The answer is Murshid Quli Khan. When was the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act passed in India? And the answer is in 1856. Who was the main architecture of the Taj Mahal? The answer is Ustad Ahmad Lahori. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you.